Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you have an automatic watch but struggle to keep it wound, I have just the thing for you today. This MOZSLY watch winder took my husband's watch from collecting dust on our dresser to on his wrist where it belongs. There are so many things we love about this, first being the look. We love the pop of color, but they do have other options as well. The faux leather and stitching looks really nice, and the acrylic glass on the front is crystal clear. So once you add the watch in there, it looks even better. The second thing we appreciate is how customizable this is. The pillow can easily be adjusted to fit any size watch, and it even comes with a smaller cushion for a woman's watch. Let me break it down for you. I can select what direction I want it to rotate, how many turns per day, whether to use batteries or to plug it in. I am telling you, this company thought of everything. Now, if you're wondering how do I figure all of this out, not to worry, it came with all the information. In fact, as soon as we got it, we were so excited. We used it right out of the box in a matter of minutes. It's also very quiet. It's mainly in our room and we can't hear a thing when we sleep at night. And of course, it works really well. We keep it on the lowest setting and haven't had any issues with it dying or the watch moving out of place. I would recommend just ensuring that it fits snug around the pillow and that it's inserted all the way in, and you'll be fine. This was such a great find for us, and I'm sure you'll find it as valuable as we did, but that's just our point of view.